Hey, I'm Sarah, and over the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can build and publish your own landing page with Aweber and be on your way to collecting subscribers in just under 5 minutes. Your landing page is an essential part of collecting subscribers and building your list, and we've made it super easy to get up and running. In your Aweber account, click on Landing Pages in the navigation bar, then click to create a landing page. You'll find some awesome pre-built templates to choose from, each labeled so you can pick out the one that best fits your situation. First, pick a name for your page. This is just for your own records, and no one outside your account will see this. Check out the left sidebar. This contains elements, like images and text, that you can drag into your landing page. The template you've chosen already has some elements built in, and you can click right on these to add your own text or change out the stock image with one of your own. The sign-up form built into your landing page is already set up to start adding subscribers to your list, and you can add additional fields here if you want. Over here is the right sidebar. This contains options to adjust things like the color and style of whatever element you've selected. This sidebar also contains settings to help you share your landing page, like customizing how your URL is amended, as well as how your page will appear when you share via social channels like Facebook or Twitter. Once you're done, save your page and you'll see a summary of your newly created page on the left with a preview on the right. When you're ready, click Publish and you'll see your landing page's URL. Grab that and share it wherever you want to start building an audience. And if you're using WordPress, you can integrate your WordPress site with your Aweber account to easily add landing pages to your existing site. I hope this video helped. Click to check out our next tutorial and don't forget to subscribe.